That is a tornado in Indian Springs. Oh my God. You can see the funnel cloud.
I know, I see it. I already got video.
It's a tornado.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Well, I got pictures of it.
Well, I'm getting it on video.
Oh my God.
That is a tornado. It's going right through the base right now.
Oh my God.
Cassie, and I think it's coming this way, dude, honestly. You can see the funnel cloud all the way up into the clouds up here, look.
I'm used to it. Trust me, our first night at Wichita Kansas was nerve-wracking.
I think it's kind of roping out. It's like touching down and then picking up and then touching down. But you can see the downdraft